An absolute picture perfect day. Everything is just so clear. Ruapehu Mountain glistening majestically in the sun. Then you come across some noddy that thinks it's a good idea to practically stop in the middle of the road in an AK zone. Then they decide it's better to drive along really slowly while they figure out where to go. Riding through Awakuni, the carrot capital of New Zealand. Waiuru Army Museum, which is full of interesting stories about people in the wars. Came across this blocked off road and figured it might be worth checking out. It turns out it was an old bridge. Still in great shape and with some recent upgrades. I figured that it must be part of a cycle trail. A lot more interesting design than this darkness of the modern bridge. Well, I liked it anyway. Some statue thing in Palmerston North. I parked my bike next to all these other Beamers. See what I did there? My bike is a BMW. Sometimes referred to as a Beamer. No? Okay. They've got this bridge for students to get to university, but it's also a work of art. And this is Foxton Beach. Here we have what could be described for millennials as a wired cell phone that anyone can use. The trip back saw us again come past the other side of Ruapehu on another glorious day. Please like and subscribe.